Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Shanice. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today's video will be a weekend vlog, and I'm just going inside Dollar Tree. Today is Friday, and I'm just looking around at their Christmas decor. So now I'm just unlocking the doors. We're getting ready to open. I already turned the lights on. So at this point, it's later in the day. I'm walking down to the Chinese place to get my Chinese food that I order. And y'all, it was so nasty. I wasted my money. Hey you guys, so today is Saturday. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos, because how else y'all gonna see me? I'm just getting ready to go inside work. I didn't vlog anymore yesterday. Like I said, so today is Saturday, y'all. I'm sorry for this angle, but let's just go with it. I'm getting ready to go inside work. It's almost 1 o'clock. I have to be here at 1, and I have to close tonight. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go inside work now. I didn't vlog anymore yesterday because y'all, I had a terrible headache. I'll be checking back in with y'all more throughout the day. Oh my God, y'all, look, it's about to pour down. That wind is blowing. It's clear up by the time I get off. So here it is. It's the next day. It's Sunday. I'm just taking the crabs out the freezer, and I'm about to run some water so they can soak. So I already added the water to my pot. I'm just turning the stove on so I can start boiling my water. And as you can see, I'm just adding this crab boil seasoning. I'm going to add some butter. I'm also going to add some lemon juice. So now I'm just about to cut up this bell pepper, and I'm going to add half of it to my water. So since I was off today, I decided to clean my refrigerator. I need to go to the grocery store and get some more stuff, but this is going to do for now. So while my water is boiling, I came in the living room to turn on some Netflix so I can finish watching You. In this new season, y'all, it is so good. Y'all got to watch it. So now I'm just about to add the crab legs to the pot of boiling water and let them cook for like 10 or 15 minutes. So now I'm just about to make my spicy mayo dip. So now I'm just folding up some laundry. So I do want to apologize for this video being kind of short, but that wraps up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please feel free to comment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos, because how else y'all gonna see me? And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.